Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best concrete hooks is probably one of the most effective ways to organize and maximize space in any concrete walled area. Whether you're looking to hang tools in your garage, artwork in your home, or equipment in your workshop, selecting the right hooks is crucial. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect concrete hooks, ensuring a secure and lasting installation. Number 5. LOHAS Concrete Wall Hooks, Picture Hanging Solution. Introducing the LOHAS Concrete Wall Hooks. This innovative product allows you to hang pictures and other items easily. It causes minimal damage to your walls, leaving only small holes. These hooks come in two sizes, M and L, with different load capacities. The M size can hold up to 20 pounds, while the L size can handle up to 30 pounds. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 30 seconds. You can use these versatile hooks to hang various items. They're perfect for pictures, clocks, paintings, and more. It's a great way to decorate your space without causing significant wall damage. Made from ABS and steel nails, this product is built to last. The steel nails gently drive into the wall, causing minimal damage. When removed, it leaves only a few shallow holes. These hooks work on most surfaces, including drywall, concrete, and plaster walls. However, it's not suitable for glass, tile, or steel plates. It's the ideal solution for your art and photo displays. LOHAS offers the best solution for hanging pictures, clocks, and wedding photo walls. It provides more options for picture hangers. If you have any issues, contact us. We are available 24 hours a day. What we like. This hook minimizes wall damage, leaving only small holes. If you are renting or frequently redecorate, this is perfect for you. It works on various surfaces, making it a flexible choice for different homes. If you like to change your decor often, this is a great option. What people say. I pounded just one in easily and the big framed picture is on the wall like a champ. They were super easy to put up and I don't have to worry about the lights randomly falling. I didn't have to drill holes and they are sturdy. They can hang really heavy objects. They are very stable. Number 4. MOYASIBB Picture Hanging Kit. This kit includes 62 pieces of picture hanging essentials. It has various sizes of hooks to meet your different needs. It's a comprehensive solution for your hanging needs. The kit includes small, medium, large, and extra-large hooks, as well as heavy-duty frame hangers. There are also auxiliary brackets and a mini level. This variety ensures you have the right tool for the job. These hangers minimize wall damage, leaving only small pinholes. These are easy to patch up, making it ideal for renters. When removing, simply lift it from the wall. Installation is easy and fast, requiring only a hammer. Just place the hook and gently hammer the nails into the wall. It's a simple process, no drilling required. These hooks work well on cinder block, brick, plaster, and concrete walls. However, it is not suitable for glass, ceramic tile, or load-bearing walls. It offers versatile hanging solutions. Use these hooks to hang art, photo frames, and other items. You can also hang keys and bags. It's perfect for decorating your home, office, or rental space. What we like. This kit offers a variety of hooks for different needs. If you have a range of items to hang, this is a great choice. The easy installation means you can quickly get your pictures up. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution, consider this. What people say. This is the very first time in my life in this house that I have found something that works better than anything else. These hangers are the best and so easy, definitely recommended. Finally found something that lets me hang items on my concrete walls in the basement. My apartment has a strict no nails in wall rule. These are perfect. They leave holes no bigger than thumbtacks. I was able to hand these two pieces on my wall using the smallest bits. Number 3. OK 533710 30-pound steel picture hangers. This product is built to last. It's made with steel, ensuring it can withstand the test of time. You can rely on it for your hanging needs. This product is designed for ease of use. It's a reliable tool for hanging pictures and other items. You'll find it simple to get the job done. This product is manufactured in China. The country of origin is China. It's a testament to quality and craftsmanship. This product comes in a convenient 3-pack. It's perfect for multiple projects or to have extras on hand. Get yours today. This product features a stylish brass finish. It adds a touch of elegance to any space. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like. This product is known for its durability. If you need a reliable hook, this is a solid choice. It's easy to use, making your hanging tasks simple. If you value simplicity and reliability, you should consider it. What people say. Reinforced nail worked well on brick and concrete wall in a historic house. Package contained 2 nails and 2 hooks in case I bent one during installation, but it worked great the first time. These go into brick effortlessly. These go into brick effortlessly. Number 2. Lsqurel M6 304 Stainless Steel Concrete Wall Hook. Introducing the Lsqurel M6 Concrete Wall Hook. This heavy-duty hook is designed to securely fasten items to concrete walls. It can hold a significant amount of weight, making it ideal for various applications. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this hook is built to last. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use and is resistant to rust, even in humid environments. This ensures its durability and longevity. This versatile hook is perfect for a variety of uses. It's great for fence wire, shade sails, cable railings, and more. The possibilities are endless with this reliable anchoring solution. The unique design of this hook ensures a strong hold. Expansion is created by tightening a bolt, firmly gripping the wall. This provides a secure and reliable anchor, preventing it from falling off. Each package includes a set of 5 M6 concrete wall hooks. Get everything you need to securely fasten your items with this convenient set. It's a simple and effective solution for your needs. What we like. This hook is made of stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust. If you need to hang items in a humid environment, it's a great choice. It has a wide range of applications, from home decor to outdoor use. If you are looking for a strong and versatile hook, this is the one. What people say. I installed 2 of these vertically up, first used 3/16 SDS bit to make a pilot hole, hammer drill on hammer plus drill, followed by the 3/8 SDS plus bit, then dropped this anchor into the hole and hand tightened. Therefore, nothing snapped and everything is secure. These are built sturdy and look to hold up over the long haul. I used this to anchor into a concrete post to extend a clothesline. If installed correctly, these can hold some serious weight. We are using them to hold pool equipment but have used them in other cases to hold up lawn care equipment. They haven't slipped out yet and we have had them installed close to a year. Number 1. Hoedia 40-pack picture hangers for concrete walls. Tired of damaging your walls? These picture hangers are the perfect solution. They are designed for easy hanging without leaving big marks. Made from superior ABS plastic, this product is much sturdier than others. Each hook can hold up to 25 pounds, making it ideal for various items. Unlike traditional nails, this product leaves minimal pinholes. You won't even notice them, preserving your wall's integrity. This product works well on concrete, stucco, and even wallpapered walls. It's versatile and ready for almost any surface. With 40 hooks included, you'll have plenty for all your hanging needs. Use them for pictures, tapestries, clocks, and more. Installation is a breeze, all you need is a hammer. It saves you time and effort, so you can quickly enjoy your decorations. What we like. This hook is made of sturdy ABS plastic, ensuring it can hold up to 25 pounds. If you have heavy items to hang, it's a great choice. The traceless design prevents wall damage. If you are looking for a hook that is both strong and gentle on your walls, you should consider this. What people say. They work great. I was able to finally hang my lights. They are so easy to use and very secure. They're incredibly easy to install, and can support weighty objects. Works good for my concrete stucco home to hang Christmas lights, only leaves very tiny pinholes when removed that you can't even really see, serves its purpose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.